bibili natin. Tatry natin. Hi everyone! So for today's video, we're going to
Review!
this viral Dubai Chewy Cookie.
Sabi mo.
And this one costs like $7 and we bought it at H Mart, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So, let's going to taste this one. Ako muna.
Go.
These small things cost $7. I don't know if it's worth it, but you know.
Taste Pakita mo sa kanila yung loob.
Hindi kita.
What can you say, ma'am?
For me, it's good.
Is
But
$7 worth it?
But it's not worth it for $7. Try mo. Is it worth it? Pero
It's good, but not for $7 siya.
Pero nakakain ko lang yung yung katayfi lang.
Maybe mahal yung katayfi.
Mahal yung katayfi. Pero, mga nakikita ko kasi sa TikTok, medyo okay naman yung marshmallow niya. Pero ito, grabe sa nipis yung marshmallow. Wala na talaga asin.
Manipis. Puro katayfi. Maybe it's katayfi cookie. Nawala yung chewy. Crunchy dapat. Dubai crunchy cookie. For me, 4 out of 10.
Maybe 5 out of 10.
It tastes good. Taste alone.
Hindi. Nag-expect lang siguro ako ng sobra. Sa $7 na yan.
But, look. Tela yarn. Okay na? Ano pala? Hindi ka makakapag...
Ano mo tawa review to? Na-achieve niya naman yung
Yung katayfi.
hindi. Kasi sabi sa dapat yung magaganyan siya, mag-stretch. Pero yung stretch niya, tingnan mo sa sobrang nipis.
Lumpia wrapper yun. I think that's everything for you today, right?
Bye guys. Yun lang talaga yun.